Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to view update history in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So click on start, then search settings, open settings. Now here click on Windows Update. Now here you will see the option update history. Just click here. And here you will see different type of updates like quality update. In my case it's 12, and also driver update. You can extend by here, definition update and other updates. So these are the all update history you can find out. And guys, if you want to delete and remove any update, so just click on uninstall updates. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.